everybody, my name is Dr. Vikas Dua. I am the Principal Director and Head of the Department of Pediatric Hematology, Oncology and Bone Marrow Transplant, which means that I see patients from day 1 of life to 18 years of age who have got blood disorders, who have got cancers and who require bone marrow transplant. So when we say pediatric hematology, that means patients who have got low hemoglobin, high hemoglobin, low platelets, disease like aplastic anemia in which your bone marrow is not functioning properly, you require a bone marrow transplant for that. The other conditions like thalassemia, which is very common in India, neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Thalassemia patients require monthly blood transplant from the age of 6 months, and a bone marrow transplant is the permanent cure. Like that, there is a condition called sickle cell anemia, which also requires a bone marrow transplant. Coming to oncological indications, oncological conditions which are seen in pediatric age groups are like blood cancers, which is the most common cancer in pediatric age group, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, acute myeloid leukemia, and if a patient is being treated by a correct doctor like us, who is a pediatric oncologist, the cure rates for pediatric leukemias are more than 90%. Then brain tumors, kidney tumors, liver tumors, bone tumors, to name a few, medulloblastoma, astrocytoma, hepatoblastoma, rhabdomyosarcoma, Ewing sarcoma, osteosarcoma, Wilms tumor, retinoblastoma. If you have a tumor like this, or if you know somebody who has got a tumor like this, the correct person to contact is a pediatric oncologist so that chemotherapy, radiation or surgical intervention can be done. Coming to transplants, so we are somebody who does pediatric transplant, means from day 1 of life to 18 years of age, we do bone marrow transplant, and nowadays in India we are doing even half match transplant. So if patient doesn't have a full match sibling, then we do search, and if we don't get a search donor, then we do a half match transplant. So in our center we have done more than 1500 transplants, largest center who does pediatric transplants in the country, and we are there to help you. If you need any sort of help, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.